I am just going to take my paddle brush and brush my hair out just to kind of get some fluffiness. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Crystal. Today we are just going to be doing a get ready with me video as I just kind of put on my makeup. I am going to use this time to just talk to y'all, have a little chit chat so that you can understand exactly who I am and where I have been, because your girl has been MIA for a little bit. So stay tuned if you're interested to see the foundation, some of the makeup that I'm going to be using today, and what I'll be wearing to run some errands. As you can see, I am protective styling. I do have a traditional sew-in my hair. So what you see right now is just a sew-in. I did go to Trina, who is the same girl who has been doing my sew-ins now for a while. I'll make sure I link her Instagram information and the hair details below. This is a raw Cambodian hair, I believe. I may be wrong, so don't quote me on that, but I will put it in the link below. And I had her cut it into a very short classic style because I just wanted to, you know, just be classic. I didn't really want long hair. I live in Houston. It's hot as all outdoors here. It's very humid, and I just didn't feel like having long hair and a lot of hair on my head. So that's what you see right now is the protective style. I do have a minimum leave out at the top here that's giving me the side part, and everything else are extensions. So that's out the way. So let's go ahead and just get started with my makeup, y'all. I am going to be using today the Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour skin tint. Y'all, this stuff right here, this skin tint is better than some of the luxury and designer foundations that are on the market right now. It is such a beautiful foundation. It has a very nice coverage. You can go light with this, you can go full on makeup with this, but this is a very good product. And the only thing that I don't like about it is the dropper. I would have preferred for it to be a pump, but that's neither here nor there. I always get it on me when I am applying it from the dropper itself. Also, y'all will see that I am a little bit darker too. It's the summertime. I've been going on some vacations, been going out to the pool with the kids since the girls have learned how to swim. So I have been outdoors, and that's just not me at all because I hate going outside. I absolutely hate it. I'm not an outside girl, and they have literally had me outside so much this summer. So your girl has kind of darkened up. I have a nice little tan here. So my foundation today is not going to be my exact color, but we are going to make it work, and we're going to make sure that we can get that matched in. So y'all, I have a dilemma that's happening, and I need your help. So for the past, you haven't seen me because number one, I've just kind of been busy with life. These kids have been out on vacation for the summertime, but also my hair is doing well. It is growing. It's doing what I need it to do, but I have been contemplating on going back natural. I've been thinking about it. It's been on my mind. If I was to do it, I would not do a big chop. I would just let it grow out. Right now, I'm about 5 or 6 months post relaxer because I just haven't been wanting to get one. I'm just trying to let my hair grow out, get thick, because y'all know my hair is pretty fine. So I just haven't wanted to get a touch up. And now that I'm kind of protective styling for the summertime, it's just not important for me to get one. So I'm like, do I really need to be relaxed? Could I go with just, you know, growing my hair out, protective styling, and going back natural and just, you know, letting that be it? I think I could. So I've been thinking about it. I asked my husband, and he was like, you know, whatever you want to do, it's fine with me. But I always like to get his opinion on what he thinks. He could care less. But what do y'all think? Drop a comment below. Let me know if you have thought about going back natural yourself and you're currently relaxed, or are you natural and you're thinking about relaxing your hair. I think that both are great options for Black women. I just feel like, you know, I miss my curls a lot. So that's the only reason why I have been kind of thinking about not putting the relax on my hair anymore. So y'all drop a comment below. I'm interested to see what y'all think. This is the Fenty concealer in the color 390. I like to use this concealer because it's very hydrating, but at the same time, it's a full concealer. So I really like the way that it lays on my under eye. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in. My makeup application has actually changed too. I feel like, you know, with my age, I don't really do a lot of the trending makeup application methods anymore, like, you know, dragging my under eye concealer all the way down. I do like for it to be a little bit more naturally settled in now. I'll be 42 this year, and I have always really liked the classic pinup type of look, 80s hair. You know, I guess it's just with my age, but I have always liked that style when it comes to applying your makeup and doing your hair and just, you know, presenting yourself as a lady should. All right, so for my bronzer today, I am going to be using the Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer. I have this in the color Dark Deep. I just got this and I am really loving it because it gives a very natural bronzing look to your face, and I'm kind of feeling that. So I'm just going to take that along my cheekbones and pat that in. Remember, when you're going in with your bronzer, you always want to work up. You never want to drag it down. Always go up when putting that on. I'm just going to put a little bit there just to kind of bring out a little bit of my features. At the same time, I'm just going to be completely honest with y'all. I'm also a little afraid of going back natural too. Just because the short phase for me, I've never really had short hair, so I've never done big chop or anything like that. But I don't even like for my hair to be shoulder length or neck length. I like to have long hair, and starting over kind of concerns me a little bit, but I feel like we can do it. I remember when I first went natural back in 2011, I didn't big chop, but what I did was every month I cut an inch off of my hair just so that it could gradually, you know, transition into the natural hairstyle that I wanted. But I never did like a full-on big chop with my hair. So maybe I'll try and do that this time. But like I was saying, y'all, I don't really know if that's something that I'm gonna do right now, but it has been on my mind. So it's definitely a thought that I've been having, and a main reason why you haven't been seeing me do any of those wash day videos or any styling, because I just don't know what I want to do with my hair. I'm gonna also go ahead and take the By Mario. This is the Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Perfector in the color Dark. I love this. It's very pretty. It has that highlighter color up there, and then you have your bronzing powder at the bottom. I do like to go right into the middle of this so that I can get that bronzing powder and the highlighter, and then I put that onto my cheeks. And it just gives you this very pretty glow. I am going to also use my Laura Mercier today when it comes to setting under my eyes. I won't be doing a lot. What I've been doing with my Laura Mercier, this is in the color Honey, by the way, is I've just been kind of tapping in there and tapping the excess out on my hand so that I'm not actually baking. I'm just more so setting what's there. I always set my forehead too because I tend to get a little oily in my T-zone. So I do set my forehead, my nose area, and down on my chin. My eyebrows and my eye makeup was already done for the day. For my eyeshadow, I did go ahead and do that off camera. I just wanted something simple for the day. So I did go in and I used my Christian Dior palette. This is the palette Mixa Edition 001. And it's a very pretty palette here. It has some very neutral pink colors that can really fit anyone's skin tone. So very pretty palette here. For my blush today, I am going to be using my Juvia's Place. This is the volume 2. I really like this blush. Great for us. So I'm going to be using the top color to go in and just put just a little bit of color onto my cheeks. I have very high cheekbones, so I do like to go into the apples of my cheek and just put that color right there. And that gives me a very pretty, soft look for the day. For my lip liner today, I am going to be using the By Mario. This is in the color Crisp. I really like this color. Goes on super easy. And it blends well with anything also. I am going to be using the NARS lip gloss today. I think that this lip gloss by NARS has been discontinued. If it has not, I'll make sure to link it below, but it's a really pretty soft nude color that I'm going to pair with this. So pretty. All right, so that is it for my makeup today. I am just going to take my paddle brush and brush my hair out just to kind of get some fluffiness going. As I mentioned earlier, I am really into just having classic looking hair. So as you see me brush, you'll notice that I'm brushing this way so that I can get those curls to kind of create this fullness that you're seeing right here. Now, I normally don't use hairspray in my hair, but I am going to do a color wow video before I wash my hair just to show you what their hairspray does with extensions. But this is all I'm doing just to get that hair to lift up more and be more voluminous. If you have short extensions and you're having trouble with your curls, curl it like that. Make sure that you're going out, because you can already see that this side compared to this side is much fuller. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing with this side here. Just gonna take that and see how I'm pulling that hair out. Okay, so we have full hair now. I am going to go ahead and put some accessories on. I am going to link these earrings below. They came in a pack of 13, y'all. And when I say these earrings are so dainty, they're so cute, and the quality on them are amazing for the price that I paid for a pack of 13 from Amazon. So I will be sure to link these earrings below. I don't really like to wear big earrings anymore because last year I had to have a reconstructive surgery on one of my earlobes, where my boy, when he was a baby, had pulled my earring out, a hoop, and so it split my ear. And now that he's 16, I finally went and got it fixed last year, and so I had a little bit of plastic surgery done on this ear. And because, you know, I spent pretty good money for it, I just don't want to risk it. I don't like wearing big earrings anymore, so I wear more classic pieces like this. I feel like they stand out more, they're safer for our earlobes, and they just, you know, look a little bit more feminine to me. So here are my earring choices for today. As I mentioned, I will link those below. For my bracelets, I am just going to be creating a stack with some previously owned bracelets that I had. Here's what that looks like. Very simple, two-tone color. And then for my watch, I will link this below because this was another affordable buy through Amazon that is just a beautiful piece. Whenever I wear this watch, I always get compliments and people ask me where I got it from. So I'll be sure to link this below for you all so that you can grab you one if you'd like. It does come in different colors, and I think that it comes with like different watch face colors also. So I'll definitely link those. And can I say, y'all, I am so proud of myself because last night I did my very first Gel X nail extension kit on myself. Y'all, I'm done with the nail shops, okay? I am not going to the nail shop again unless I am just really not wanting to do my own nails, because I can do my own nails. Look at my nails, y'all. I think they came out so pretty. For me doing them my first time, I used like a jelly nude shellac color. These are extensions that I put on completely myself. I bought everything that I needed off of Amazon, down to e-file, which is, you know, like the drill that they use at the nail shop. I did them myself and they came out so pretty. I'm very proud of myself. It took me 2 hours, but that's fine. That was kind of some me time. I had me some wine and we just, you know, chilled and I did my nails. But I'm gonna see how long they last so that I can give y'all an update on that. If you're interested to see how I did these nails, what the supplies were, let me know, drop a comment, and I will also link those in the video too. But here is my look for my face for the day. Here is the look for my hair for the day. Let's go ahead and jump over and see exactly what I'll be wearing for the day. Here is my outfit of the day. I did go ahead and keep on this one piece romper like I told you I would. This is just like a workout romper that is completely one piece. I did layer it with this beautiful top that I got from H&M a few months back. It's been a while now. But this top right here came in a lot of different colors. I got all of the basic colors because it's a great layering piece for when you just want to cover up, but still kind of be trendy at the same time. So I have that over this romper. I do have it on with some strappy black heels, which are 9 West. And for my accessories today, I did just put on a simple necklace. That's not so simple. It is a gold nugget that my mother left me when she passed away. And then I also have this watch right here. Very trendy watch. I showed you all in an earlier clip. I will link this below because it is very affordable and from Amazon. And then I also have it paired with some small but classic hoops that I will also pair for you below with a stack of bracelets. If you are in love with this look like I am, make sure that you comment below. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this, but this is going to be what I am wearing for the day, just to kind of go sit out, have some lunch, maybe meet up with a friend or so, and just kind of, you know, enjoy the weekend. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and let's talk about it below. Also, we need to see what we doing, y'all. We staying relaxed, or we going natural? Please, let's talk about this in the comments below. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.